Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's keep this Forester XT touring build going. Check this out. In previous videos you may have seen this sitting on the floor or under the workbench or whatever, but it's time. In the last video we did the InGen intake, the engineered intake. Got that to fit on a Forester XT just fine. Couple of holes that I had to drill on the intake. Scoop, but other than that, no problem at all. If you missed that video, you're going to want to go back in this build playlist I've created for this series and get caught up. Anyhow, today we're going to be installing this Invidia exhaust. I'm going to film a video of the unboxing, but I'm not going to film the install because there's about 800 channels that show you how to install a Subaru catback exhaust. Now, the story behind this exhaust is kind of funny. Mighty Car Mods, most recently, if you watch their channel, just did a full STI conversion on a Lavorde, which is an Australian Outback that comes with like a 1.6 liter direct injection turbo motor, and it only makes like 127 horsepower. So they made a beast of basically an STI wagon. Anyhow, this is the exact same exhaust they used on it. Now this is not an STI, however, I really like that exhaust, so I figured out what the part number was from Marty on Mighty Car Mods and purchased it. Now, this exhaust fits on a variety of Subarus, 2015 and up. So the fact that it fit on an STI conversion and the fact that it fits on a Forester and a WRX, and you know, it's the single tip version. We're gonna get it unboxed. I'm gonna install it. I'll do a little bit of a sound clip, not that it's gonna make that much of a difference. These are actually pretty quiet. And then that'll be the end of this video. You may notice something sitting on the workbench here. There's a little story behind that coming up in the next video. So you're gonna wanna stay tuned for that. But let's get this unboxed. Well, you have to admit that this is a really nice exhaust. The components on it are fantastic. Looks well built. Probably one of the nicest exhausts I've ever ran on a Subaru. Very pretty. I'm sure it'll sound a little bit different, but it should be a little bit louder than stock, but not much from some of the other videos I saw. And I definitely wasn't going to put something on there that was going to be obnoxious. So let's get this thing installed and we'll come back and I'll show you what it sounds like. Well guys, this took a whole 25 minutes to install. Pretty fast, straightforward. Really nice looking system. I can see why they cost a little bit extra than like a standard exhaust that you would buy off eBay, no name brand. So yeah, got that in. I'm sure you guys want to hear what it sounds like. Let me turn off the Dragon's Breath and we'll fire the car up. Light and it still works. We'll have to get that. We'll have to get that out of there. Pretty impressive. It didn't do a thing to it. Look at that. It didn't do a thing to it. The whole car was on it. So yeah, that turned out really sharp looking, and it's just a slightly bit louder than stock, which is perfect. I'm happy with that. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description. I got this set up from Import Image Racing, and they had the best price on the internet. I think it was like 760 bucks shipped or something like that. But anyhow, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. You're gonna want to stay tuned. I got something special coming up that's gonna have to do with this thing. We're waiting on a few more parts, and it's something unique. I haven't seen another YouTuber do it, because I'm gonna be building something, and I'll show you what that is. But other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and as always, I will catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.